In this video, I will show you how to filter Excel data so that each item only appears in its latest year automatically. Whether you are working with sales, inventory, or yearly records, this trick will clean your reports in seconds. So, here's my raw sales data. Each item appears in different years. For example, item A is in both 2025 and 2024, but I only want to show the latest record for each item. So if A is in 2025, it should not appear in 2024 or earlier. To do this, I will add a helper column and use a formula that checks, does this item appear in any future year? If yes, it marks it as a duplicate. Let me type the formula here. So here is my formula. This formula checks if the same items appears in a later year. If it does, we mark it duplicate. Otherwise, keep. I will drag the formula down to apply it to all the rows. Now we have our filtering logic in place. Next, I will create a pivot table. Go to the Insert tab, click Pivot Table and select your data including the new unique filter column. Place the pivot table on a new sheet. Now set up the pivot table like this. After item number in rows, year in columns, in values, quantity, sales, or anything you want to summarize. And in filter or in a slicer, you can add unique filter. Then just filter the pivot table to show only keep. Now you are only seeing the latest year's data for each item. That's it. Clean, smart, and dynamic reporting in Excel using one formula. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more Excel tips.